Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into our FSSA employee account. Let's get started. So to log into your FSSA employee account, what you can do is just simply open up your browser. After opening up your browser, in search bar you can search for FSSA employee login. After searching for that, you'll come up to this page, and from here what you can do is just tap on this first option to say State Employee Reserve. It says State Employee Resource, and from there you will come up to this website, and from here what you can do is just tap on this search bar which is on the top right corner of your screen. Just tap on the search icon. After tapping on that search icon, inside the search bar you can search for employee login. After searching for employee login, here you can come up to this page, and from here what you can do is just tap on this option which says employee login page. So here you can find this option which is employee login page, so just tap on it, and after tapping on that option, now you'll come up to this page where you can log into your account. So now in order to log into your account, you just have to enter your username and password. After entering your username and password, you can just tap on sign in, and after tapping on sign in, you'll successfully sign into your account. But if you have forgotten your account's username or your account's password, then what you can do is just simply tap on forgot username if you have forgotten your account's username, or just tap on forgot password if you have forgotten your account's password. So you can reset or recover your username or password, and after doing that, you just come back to this page and then enter the new password that you have created or the username. Then just tap on sign in, and after tapping on sign in, you'll successfully sign into your account. So that's it guys, this is how to log into your FSSA employee account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.